Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: phone and Google TV on the same Wi-Fi and signed into the same Google account. Once done, open the Google TV app on your phone. It searches for devices automatically. Make sure the TV is awake and showing the Google TV home screen so pairing can complete quickly. If you see a device name that matches your TV, tap it. This starts the connection handshake. You're now ready to move into pairing and permissions. You'll pair the phone and the TV by selecting the TV found in the app and confirming the 4-digit code shown on both devices. This prevents accidental connections. Once paired, grant the app local network and Bluetooth permissions so inputs and voice commands reach the TV reliably. Then pick a remote layout that suits you: D-pad for navigation, voice for searches, or numeric keypad for channels, because that choice affects how quickly you can control playback and apps. Now use the app as your remote. Tap the D-pad to navigate, press the microphone for voice search, and use the keyboard to type passwords faster. Once comfortable, make sure to switch layouts for specific tasks: voice for searches, keypad for numbers. If inputs stop working, restart the Google TV app first, then toggle Wi-Fi on your phone. If that fails, repair the devices. For stubborn problems, reboot both TV and phone, and check for apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.